This is our PanaCast 50, which we'd love you to come to stand to today and take a look at. It's our first new normal ready intelligent video soundbar for enterprises, really making sure that we give people meeting equity so everyone gets the same experience. I want to very quickly talk you through the features of the PanaCast 50. So first couple of things that it has are intelligent zoom to really frame the room and make sure everyone is within shot in the room. It also has a virtual director, so the virtual director can actually track speakers in the room, but also uses AI as well. So if there's a conversation going on, it can make sure it focuses on that whole conversation without bouncing between two people there. It also has a whiteboard feature, so that we can very quickly switch onto a whiteboard if we need to. And actually, if I press this button here, you can see we've moved straight onto the whiteboard there and see exactly what's written. How many times we've been at home when we've not been able to see what has been written on a whiteboard within the room. I think, finally, the other key thing that we have on the PanaCast 50 itself is we can actually bring in room data into here. So we can see the number of people, for example, that have walked into a room, how utilised the room is, for example, and that's really key data as organisations move back into the office and understand exactly what is going on in their real estate. We've also got a brand new feature called dynamic composition, which will actually split the feeds. So if there's 4 people in the meeting room, it will give everyone an individual feed there. So again, for those people at home, really giving them proper meeting equity, being able to understand what is going on in that meeting room. So hopefully that's given you a good sort of summary of the PanaCast 50. We'd love to see you on stand where we can show you and demo the PanaCast 50 a little bit more to you.